Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio 46. So I feel like FiiO has been consistently producing a lot of new products, and today I'm gonna review FA1, which could be a better, cheaper alternative to FA7. Okay, let's start. FiiO FA1 comes with the FA1 earphones, ear tips, cleaning tool, and this really cool lunchbox toolbox looking case, and the manual. So I find it pretty fascinating when some of the products in the lower price range fits just as comfortable as some of the super expensive ones. And I think FA1 is the perfect example of that. These feel super comfortable, snug, and has great sound isolation, so you guys will probably love it even after like long listening sessions. And I personally always dig FiiO's fun acrylic design and the lightness of the earphones because they're fun to look at, functional, and durable. Okay, so in terms of the cable, this is a detachable silver-plated copper MMCX cable, but it is durable, but the only thing is this detachable part is a little stiff, so when I first tried to take it out, I kinda had a minor panic attack, but I guess all in all it's better than being it loose because it just means that it's more durable. Okay, so with the lows on FA1, I wasn't impressed. And honestly speaking, it's not that special because I feel like the bass leans towards the neutral side, so you won't really feel that huge power or punchiness or kick to it. And that kind of left me confused when I listened to my go-to hip-hop tracks. And it also felt pretty light. And this lightness really continues on to other genres like pop, bluegrass, and rock music and more. But with that being said, it has a great sense of clarity in the sound and the bass, so especially acoustic instruments sounded great with great articulation. I think I said great like 10 times. Okay, so the mid-range on FA1 has a really good presence, and it has a relatively evenly balanced low mids and the high mids with a slight boost in the high mids. But by all means, the low mids have a really good significance too, so it kind of gives the full mid-range this expansive and full body feel. And another thing that I noticed is that considering the price, the level of separation in sound was outstanding, which resulted to acoustic instruments and the sound of instruments sounding very clear and transparent. And on top of that, even the vocals sounded really clear and transparent with no distortion at all. So with that being said, I feel like the mid-range sounded good with any genres and pretty much all the genres, but my favorite pick was R&B. So I'm gonna recommend you guys this song Best Part by Daniel Caesar featuring Her. The thing that I noticed right off the bat about the high ends of FA1 is that the percussion sounded really crisp and tight, and in general, the high end has this snappy and energetic feeling to it. And it is a little bit bright, but it's not to the point that it'll hurt your ears, so you guys don't need to worry about that. And another thing is that just like the mids, the high ends have this on-point clarity and sound, which especially highlighted female vocals really nicely. So I feel like the high end sounded really good on any genres, but the best for me was pop and electronic music, or any tracks with some kind of a roomy arrangement and sound. So you guys will get a lot of height from the soundstage of FA1, which I don't really have. But anyway, yeah, the soundstage of FA1 is very spacious and instruments are precisely placed. But only thing was that it lacked tiny bit of accuracy when it came to depth. But in general, it has this really good multi-dimensional feeling to the soundstage. My final thoughts. Okay, under $100, I feel like FA1 really gives you solid sound with good separation, clarity, and really good mid-range. So I would say it was enough for me. I mean, personally, the low end was, a little bit weak, but I can't always ask for perfect sound, right? So I think in general, with this cool design on top of the really great sounding sound, I would definitely recommend it. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. See you guys soon. Bye.